So I'm going to put my strainer in my water source. And hook that to the in. There's an anti-siphon valve that you want to use on your output side so the water doesn't just keep running out. Here are your drip irrigation stakes. You'll want one of these for every plant. We're just going to lay out a simple setup with some tees. All right. So we've got several of the drip stakes, the tees, the plumbing. We'll just connect that to our output line. All right, turn our on-off switch on. You can see it says 3 hours. It's going to run every 3 hours, and we can change the watering time. We're currently set to run for 6 minutes every 3 hours. And as you can see, we've got water dripping out each one of our stakes. It's keeping our plants watered. Super easy to set up, super reliable, and I'll come home to nice plants that aren't dead.